So you want to get rich. Who doesn't, right?
You Google it, search YouTube, maybe even hit TikTok. But suddenly, everyone's yelling at you.
Suddenly you see 6 figures in 60 days. This one secret changed my life.
Yeah, and then you realize something's off. Why advice is dangerous. Back in the day, financial advice came from, well, actual adults. Now it's from 19-year-olds with rented Lambos and a passive income course.
Just copy my blueprint, bro.
You click, and boom. Smoke. Nothing. No blueprint. And that money you paid? Yeah, that was their passive income. If you see these, run. Guaranteed returns. Nope. Only 3 spots left. Yeah, sure. Fake screenshots of 100K in Stripe? Come on.
You're broke 'cause you're lazy.
No. You're broke because you believe this clown, and behind every expert badge, peels off sticker, there's a course seller who makes more selling dreams than living them. Real experts show the whole picture, the pros and the cons. Fakes scream, easy money. Real wealth takes time, planning, and patience. Ask the fake one for tax returns. Poof, gone. Ask the real one, they show a spreadsheet. Because real wealth isn't loud, it's quiet. Not all bad advice is a scam. Some of it's just unhelpful.
Just buy Voo and chill.
Cool. What's VOO? Or how about the 50-30-20 budget rule? Ever tried that when you're broke? Credit cards aren't evil. Debt isn't always dumb. It just depends on you. If it doesn't fit your life, it's not advice. It's noise. Here's how to scam-proof your brain in 10 seconds. Is it legal? Is it specific to you? Can others repeat it? Can you verify it? Still unsure? Google their name plus the word scam. Go ahead, I'll wait.
Wait, this guy has lawsuits?
Look at what they say versus what others got. Test it, question it before you trust it.
So where should you go?
Start here. Investosaga.com. Real fiduciaries who legally work in your interest. GovSite. No hype, just facts. Books from people like Ramit Sethi or Graham Stephan. They're not selling you fantasies. Perspective, pipe dreams. The real superpower isn't investing, it's discernment. Scams win when you're desperate, emotional, impatient. But when you stop and ask,
Why am I doing this? Who actually profits here?
that's when you win. That's when spam arrows bounce off your shield of truth. Let's break it down. Fake wealth is loud, fast, and feels urgent.
10K a month in drop shipping. Crypto, 100x pump. Buy my mentorship.
Behind the curtain, refund policies that don't exist and dashboards that were photoshopped. Real wealth, it's boring. It's quiet. It looks like this: saving $10 a week, investing in index funds, building an emergency fund, budgeting, and living below your means. You won't get clout, but you will get peace. And that's richer than any guru's Lambo.